look at that, when it kicks.
He's over 190 right there, so we look good on both
Yes.
sides.
But see, but that up there, it never goes into the green when it kicks. It's supposed to stay in the green and stay there. See, that was good yesterday, but now it's not. It's not supposed to get in the center and stay there. And then when it's done rinsing, it goes back down to zero. But in there, it's not even in there now. But that was good yesterday. See, something like that, Aaron. I mean, that was perfect yesterday. It stays on the green. Every time it rinses, it stays on the green. And now, I was not even reaching it.
So what is this? Why is that red? Because temperature is low. It says that low water temperature. Oh, I see it now. I was only seeing the Spanish. I'm not up to speed on my Spanish.
There we go.